Hi guys! Jinky here from Plant Girl PH. During my stay in Cebu, nakatanggap po tayo ng iba't ibang varieties ng plants and most of them are premium plants po. So, I would like to share with you kung ano po yung ginagawa natin upon receiving it. As you can see guys, most of them are philodendrons po kaya hindi po sila maselan compared to aglonemas. After unboxing, pinaparest po muna namin yan for about an hour kasi for sure yung mga halaman natin is stress pa po sa biyahe. Habang nagpapahinga po yung mga plants natin from shipment, so heto po tayo, gumagawa po tayo ng potting mix na gagamitin po natin sa ating mga halaman. And since most of them are philodendrons po, so we prepared an aroid mix for them. Usually, pag nakaka-receive po tayo ng plants from shipment, yung una-una po natin mapapansin is yung packaging talaga ng seller, kung paano nila prepare yung plants for shipment. One of the important factor po talaga kasi sa amin is yung packaging ng plants kasi ito po yung nagiging face ng mga sellers sa kanilang mga clients. We have our first plant here, yung ating Philodendron Spiritosancti, which we repotted to bigger size pot, and we also provide support stick para po maayos yung settings ng kanyang mga dahon. And take note guys kung may nare-receive tayong mga bagong plants, we don't need to buy new pots naman talaga. We can reuse or recycle our old pots. Hugasan lang po natin para magamit po natin ulit sa ating mga bagong tanim. But make sure guys na maraming butas yung gagamitin yung pots so that hindi po mag-stuck yung water, especially during rainy season. And for those trailing plants po na inyong marireceive, provide them coco pole or moose pole po, and make sure na naka-anchor po yung pole ninyo sa inyong pots so that hindi po magiging wobbly yung pole ninyo at magiging safe ang mga plants. Upon repotting po pala guys, you have to check yung status ng roots ng mga plants na na-receive nyo, if meron bang mga root rot or healthy ba yung kanilang mga roots upang maiwasan po natin yung pagtuloy-tuloy if meron po itong infected areas ng fungus. And always remember guys na every plant has its own characteristic at iba-iba po yung angkop na potting mixture for them. At iba-iba din po yung care tips na kailangan ng bawat halaman. And usually guys, pag nakikita naman namin na okay naman yung potting mixture na ginamit sa kanila, tina-transfer na lang namin sa bigger size na pot and dinadagdagan namin ng potting mix so that hindi na po masyadong ma-stress pa yung halaman at mag-adjust sa bagong potting mixture. And pag nakikita mo naman po namin na angkop naman po yung size ng pot sa plant, hindi na po namin ito ginagalaw, but we make sure na marami po talagang butas yung pot para po magkaroon ng good aeration yung ating tanim. And isa po guys sa pinaka-importanting step upon receiving new arrival plants, after repotting po, wag nyo po silang ilalagay directly to sunlight. As much as possible po, ilagay nyo po sila sa bright shaded area na sa ganun mabilis po makarecover yung ating mga tanim. There you go guys, natapos na po natin silang lahat. Hopefully mag-thrive pa sila dito sa bago nilang bahay. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Please follow for more and happy planting!